Okay, I just want to update my success so far on reversing gravity. So the very simplest thing to change here is to change the max fall speed to FE. It could also be FF. And um, essentially, what I did also was that I ended up subtracting the gravity. Let's take a look at the um, original code here. This will work. And just go ahead and bring it over to the original code. Oh, what happened here? Here we go. Gravity part for the do handle physics. Originally added gravity low, added gravity high, and basically what I'm changing here is I'm changing subtract with carry gravity low, subtract with carry gravity high. So until it gets to the max fall speed, which is a negative number, and it looks like anywhere between 80 up to FF is going to be negative numbers, which means you could say speed or velocity is positive. So I just turned this to O2 instead of 2.0 just to make it a little bit slower. And then the other thing that I did was in the jump through platform, I basically made it so that, let's see, here's the lines that I changed here, was I said if I subtracted two pixels, from the object's Y position, and then I also subtracted this temp2, which is, I guess, somehow connected to the object height. This is part I'm not as clear on. And so then basically what this does is it is since I'm subtracting, I think that's checking to see if above me is a solid tile. So for example, in here, it's checking to see if it's an above tile. And if so, then we can do a jump. The other thing that I did is if you, the way it is originally is just if this is equal, then do a jump. But I also just said if it's equal, do a jump. If it's not equal, also do a jump. So this allows me to jump regardless of what's happening. So let's just take a look at how that works. I also flipped my character's image just to be upside down. Okay, so there I am, and I can jump, and I can jump again, and I can jump again. But if I jump into a platform, it pushes me through. So I can run around on a platform like this, and let's see here, I'll go like this, maybe, oops. I can run around on a platform, but up underneath the platform. But the problem is that if I try to jump into a platform here, then it actually goes through. And I don't know why that is. I'm trying to figure that part out. Sometimes sometimes I can get kind of stuck in the thing, but usually it pushes me through. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. think that it's a success that gravity is being reversed, um, and we can run around underneath an object. So the last thing to do here is to figure out how to make a collision when coming from above, so that it stops the character, basically. Just basically as if you had the screen upside down.